What up guys, my name is Stanley from Deberoo and today we're going to do another live build. So the live build of today is going to be focused on the Halki diabetes remedy, So I'm going to show you the offer. She was 30 minutes from a fatal diabetic coma until I discovered a simple 60-second habit that reversed my wife's type 2 diabetes and melted 56 pounds of fat. As you can see, it is a VSL, a video sales letter. You can easily add to cards scientific references. All right. So let's see if we can click through. And that all seems to work. All right, good stuff, good stuff. So we will be running this offer in Spain, Español. So first of all, let's just start out with doing some research. So we are inside of Anstrex, our spy tool, and we want to get some inspiration. So there are a couple of things that you can do. You can basically just search for Halki, then you will get results based off Halki campaigns all over the world, as you can see. So the first thing that shows us in the spy tool is that we see a lot of food. We see a lot of eggs and fruit and tea, onions, that kind of stuff. Avocado. This stuff, I don't know what it is. All right. Lots of onions, damn. All right, but there's also another thing that we can do, which is search diabetes. All right. This looks disgusting. Right, so as you notice, I usually tend to click on the images that look disgusting or that stand out and that where you just feel like, what is that? And that's the same response that you want to create with your audience, because they're scrolling through a news site, or if you're running social through Facebook or whatever, just minding their own business, and you want an image and a headline that pops out so that if somebody is doing their own shit, they all of a sudden stop scrolling, look at your picture, and just feel like, what is that? And if you can create that with an image, they will probably read your headline. So then it would say, fighting diabetes, this discovery leaves doctors speechless. Okay? And then they might click on your link. So for this ad, let's check it out. We got a VSL landing page. Watch how I slashed 80 points from my fasting blood sugar, literally overnight, thanks to the simple blend of nutrients that target and eradicate the root cause of diabetes type 2. This 100% natural treatment, which naturally fights diabetes, has stunned doctors and got the attention of over 37,000 people to transform their lives. If you or anyone you care about is suffering from diabetes, you must watch this video now. All right. Not a very, very special landing page. That's funny. So this headline is, this ad is focused on the Netherlands, but the headline is actually German. Wonder how that's going for them. Actually, we're going to run this offer in Spain, so let's see if we can specify our searches to only get results from Spain. All right. So I don't speak Spanish, so I'm not able to read the headlines anymore unless we have any English ads. Probably not, but let's check it out. Okay, I didn't really pick that up. All right, no worries. I see this image coming back a lot, the wine as well. So I wonder if that's one affiliate that's doing that, or if somebody copied that affiliate. Some more onions. So onions are really on fleek with the diabetes. A lot of stock images. So that suggests me that there is more to win, because the results will get better if the picture is less stocky in general. See why people with diabetes love this new app. Let's see. All right. This looks like, yeah, this is direct linking. Okay. The unusual link between eggs and diabetes. Not really the angle that we're going to use, because once again, I'll show you the offer. We are more going to focus on simple 60-second habit to lose your type 2 diabetes. So we want to create an angle based on our offer page so that the flow completely gets coherent. So from the ad that we're going to create, we're going to use an angle. Then in the landing page, we're going to extend on that angle. And then they go to the offer page, and it should just all be very coherent from there. Whoops. We were in Anstrex. All right. So wine tends to do well. Eggs tend to do well. Onions tend to do well. This is interesting. What is that? Simple way people over 50 are controlling their diabetes. All right. I feel like I got some inspiration. Let's create our lender. Let's go into Landerize.